Montana Democrat governor allows Sharia law in state courts. Montana Democrat Governor Steve Bullock vetoed legislation that would ban Sharia law from state courts. It was Islamophobic legislation. U.S. News reported, Governor Steve Bullock vetoed a bill that would have banned Sharia and other foreign laws from being used in Montana courts, saying Thursday that the measure would upend our legal system and debase what we stand for as Montanans and Americans. Montana was one of the 13 states considering legislation seeking to prevent the use of foreign law in state courts. While the bill's focus was not on Sharia law, some supporters specifically spoke out against the religious law used in some parts of the Islamic world. Some Republicans sided with Democrats in opposing the measure, but could not block it from going to the governor. There is absolutely no need for this bill, Bullock wrote in his veto message, adding that the proposal could add to the nationwide surge in hate crimes. So can Sharia law be applied in state courts? I don't believe so. We do have separation of church and state. So I'm guessing that the governor felt like this kind of a law was overkill and that it would incite Muslims to commit hate crimes. I don't know, but there's 13 states that are considering the legislation to stop Sharia law from being used in state courts, which is absolutely a ridiculous notion. Now, I believe the way Muslims implement Sharia law in foreign countries like in England and in other Muslim-dominated places is that they make the people submit to an arbitration, and then that binds them. So if some Muslim wanted to go to a proper state court, they would be shamed and who knows what else for not using their Sharia law system. Governor Bullock of Montana should have been much more clear in his comments when he vetoed the bill, because it does allow for some different interpretations. And now he has to deal with headlines like this: Governor allows Sharia law in state courts. Not exactly a glowing example of freedom for the state of Montana. But by saying that he's vetoing the proposition because he's worried about nationwide surge in hate crimes just makes him appear timid and sympathetic to the Muslim agenda. What do you guys think? This is Top News Today. Stay alert and be informed.